Discover Morocco's hidden gems and iconic wonders. Ready to explore Morocco's wonders? Let's embark on this unforgettable journey. Morocco is a land of vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and rich history. From bustling medinas to serene deserts, every corner of this North African gem beckons travelers with its unique allure and enchanting experiences. Begin with the enchanting Medina of Fez, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This ancient maze of narrow streets and alleys is steeped in history. The bustling souks, aromatic spices, and vibrant atmosphere offer a glimpse into Morocco's past and present, making it a must-visit destination. Marvel at the intricate tilework of Al Adarine Madrasa in Fez. This historic school of Islamic learning showcases stunning Moroccan artistry. The detailed zeliga tiles, cedarwood carvings, and ornate stucco work create a mesmerizing visual experience, reflecting the country's rich architectural heritage. Witness the traditional leather dyeing process at the famous Fez tanneries. The vibrant hues and centuries-old techniques used in these tanneries offer a fascinating glimpse into Morocco's artisanal craftsmanship. The aromatic scents and bustling activity make it a sensory experience like no other. Next, we journey to the bustling Medina of Marrakech. This lively city is a sensory overload with its vibrant markets, street performers, and aromatic food stalls. The Medina's labyrinthine streets are filled with treasures waiting to be discovered, offering a captivating blend of old and new. Next, we journey to the bustling Medina of Marrakech, a vibrant hub of activity. This lively marketplace is a sensory delight, filled with colorful stalls, aromatic spices, and intricate handicrafts. The Medina's narrow alleyways and historic architecture create an enchanting atmosphere that captivates every visitor who wanders through. Experience the lively atmosphere of Jemaa El Fna Square, the heart of Marrakech. This bustling square comes alive with street performers, food vendors, and storytellers. As the sun sets, the square transforms into a vibrant night market, offering an unforgettable taste of Moroccan culture and entertainment. Admire the stunning architecture of the Koutoubia Mosque, an iconic landmark of Marrakech. Its towering minaret, visible from miles away, serves as a beacon for the faithful. The mosque's intricate design and serene gardens provide a peaceful retreat from the city's bustling streets. Explore the opulent Bahia Palace in Marrakech, a masterpiece of Moroccan architecture. This 19th century palace boasts lavish courtyards, ornate ceilings, and beautifully tiled rooms. Wander through its lush gardens and elegant chambers, and imagine the grandeur of the royal life that once filled these halls. Stroll through the serene Majorelle Garden, a botanical paradise in the heart of Marrakech. Created by French painter Jacques Majorelle, the garden features exotic plants, vibrant blue buildings, and tranquil water features. This peaceful oasis offers a refreshing escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Venture into the breathtaking Atlas Mountains for a scenic adventure, where towering peaks kiss the sky and lush valleys unfold at your feet. The rugged terrain offers endless opportunities for exploration, from hiking trails to picturesque viewpoints, each offering a unique glimpse into the natural beauty of Morocco. Discover the charm of Imlil Village, a gateway to the mountains. Nestled in the heart of the Atlas, this quaint village serves as a starting point for many trekking adventures. Its traditional Berber hospitality and stunning surroundings make it a perfect stop for any traveler. Hike in Toubkal National Park, home to North Africa's highest peak. The park's diverse landscapes, from rocky slopes to verdant valleys, offer a challenging yet rewarding experience for hikers. Each step brings you closer to the majestic Mount Toubkal, a bucket list destination for nature lovers. Be mesmerized by the beauty of Ouzoud waterfalls, where cascades of water plunge into idyllic pools. Surrounded by lush greenery and dramatic cliffs, the falls offer a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle. The soothing sound of water creates a serene backdrop for unforgettable moments. Experience the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert, where golden dunes stretch as far as the eye can see. The ever-changing landscape, shaped by the wind, offers a sense of timelessness and adventure. Whether by day or night, the Sahara's beauty is a sight to behold. Embark on a camel trekking adventure across the golden dunes of the Sahara Desert. Feel the rhythmic sway of your camel as you traverse the vast, undulating landscape. The serene, otherworldly beauty of the desert with its endless horizons and shifting sands, creates an unforgettable, almost meditative experience. Stay in a traditional Berber camp in Merzouga, where the hospitality of the local people will warm your heart. Enjoy a night under the stars, surrounded by the silence of the desert. The simplicity and authenticity of camp life offer a unique glimpse into the Berber culture and way of life. Witness a breathtaking sunrise over the Sahara, a magical moment that paints the sky in hues of orange, pink, and gold. The first light of dawn illuminates the dunes, casting long shadows and revealing the desert's intricate patterns. It's a serene and awe-inspiring start to any day. Visit the blue-hued city of Chefchaouen, nestled in the Rif Mountains. Wandering through its narrow, winding streets feels like stepping into a dream. The vibrant blue buildings, combined with the laid-back atmosphere, make Chefchaouen a photographer's paradise and a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle. Enjoy the stunning backdrop of the Rif Mountains in Chefchaouen, where every corner reveals a new, picturesque view. The mountains provide a dramatic contrast to the blue city, offering opportunities for hiking and exploration. This harmonious blend of natural beauty and architectural charm creates a truly enchanting destination. Explore the historic port city of Tangier, where the Atlantic Ocean meets the Mediterranean Sea. Tangier's rich history is reflected in its diverse architecture, blending Moroccan, Portuguese, and French influences. Wander through its narrow streets and discover hidden gems, from ancient buildings to vibrant local markets bustling with life. Wander through the ancient Tangier Kasbah, a fortress offering stunning views of the city and sea. This historic area is filled with winding alleys, traditional homes, and cultural landmarks. As you explore, you'll feel transported back in time, surrounded by the echoes of Tangier's storied past. Discover the mythical Hercules Cave near Tangier, a site steeped in legend and natural beauty. The cave's unique opening, shaped like the African continent, frames breathtaking ocean views. According to myth, Hercules rested here during his legendary labors, adding an air of mystery to this enchanting location. Relax in the coastal town of Essaouira, known for its laid-back atmosphere and artistic vibe. The town's fortified Medina, sandy beaches, and bustling fishing port create a picturesque setting. Enjoy fresh seafood, explore local art galleries, and soak in the town's charming bohemian ambience. Stroll through the charming streets of Essaouira's Medina, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. With its whitewashed buildings, blue shutters, and vibrant souks, the Medina is a feast for the senses. Discover artisanal crafts, savor local delicacies, and experience the warm hospitality of this enchanting coastal town. Dive into the vibrant souks throughout Morocco, where the air is filled with the scents of exotic spices and the sounds of lively bartering. These bustling markets offer a sensory overload, with colorful textiles, intricate handicrafts, and tantalizing street food at every turn, reflecting the country's rich cultural tapestry. Find unique spices and crafts in local markets, a true treasure trove for any visitor. From fragrant saffron to hand-woven rugs, each item tells a story of Moroccan heritage. These markets are not just places to shop, but gateways to understanding the nation's artistic and culinary traditions. Visit the ancient fortified village of Ait Ben Haddou, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that has stood the test of time. This striking example of Moroccan earthen architecture has been the backdrop for numerous films and offers a glimpse into the country's historical and architectural grandeur. Explore the modern city of Casablanca, where tradition meets innovation. This bustling metropolis boasts a dynamic mix of old-world charm and contemporary vibes. The city's vibrant nightlife, chic cafes, and burgeoning arts scene make it a must-visit for those looking to experience Morocco's urban pulse. Marvel at the grandeur of the Hassan II Mosque in Casablanca, one of the largest mosques in the world. Its stunning architecture, featuring intricate mosaics and a towering minaret, is a testament to contemporary Moroccan craftsmanship and religious devotion. The mosque's location, overlooking the Atlantic Ocean, adds to its breathtaking allure. Discover the capital city of Rabat, where modernity meets tradition. This coastal gem offers pristine beaches, lush gardens, and a rich historical tapestry. Wander through its vibrant streets, explore the medinas, and enjoy the harmonious blend of contemporary life and ancient heritage that defines this captivating city. Explore the historic Kasbah of the Udayas in Rabat. This fortress, perched on a cliff overlooking the Atlantic, offers stunning views and a glimpse into Morocco's past. Stroll through its narrow alleys, admire the blue and white houses, and experience the serene Andalusian garden within its walls. Uncover the imperial city of Meknes, a jewel of Morocco. Known for its grand gates and royal palaces, Meknes exudes a regal charm. Walk through the bustling squares, visit the impressive mausoleum of Sultan Moulay Ismail, and immerse yourself in the city's rich history and vibrant culture. Visit the Roman ruins of Volubilis near Meknes, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These ancient remnants offer a fascinating glimpse into Morocco's Roman past. Wander among the well-preserved mosaics, towering columns, and ancient arches, and let the history of this once thriving city transport you back in time. Indulge in Morocco's delicious cuisine, a feast for the senses. From aromatic tagines to fluffy couscous, the flavors are as diverse as the landscapes. Savor the blend of spices, fresh herbs, and local ingredients that create the unique and mouth-watering dishes, making every meal a memorable experience. Moroccan mint tea is an integral part of the country's hospitality. Made with green tea, fresh mint leaves, and sugar, it's a symbol of friendship and tradition. The ritual of pouring tea from a height into small glasses is a spectacle, creating a frothy top that enhances its aromatic flavors. Music and dance are the heartbeats of Moroccan culture. Nawa music, with its hypnotic rhythms and the lively sounds of Andalusian melodies, captivate audiences. Traditional dances, often performed at celebrations, showcase intricate footwork and vibrant costumes, reflecting the rich cultural tapestry and historical influences of the region. Morocco's local festivals are a vibrant display of its cultural diversity. The Fez Festival of World Sacred Music and the Rose Festival in El Kala Maguna are just a few celebrations that bring communities together. These events offer visitors a chance to experience the country's joyful spirit and traditions firsthand. Understanding Moroccan cultural etiquette enhances the travel experience. Greetings often involve a handshake and a touch to the heart. Respect for elders and modest dress, especially in rural areas and religious sites, is appreciated. Learning a few phrases in Arabic or Berber can also go a long way in fostering connections. Subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures and tips. Share your favorite Moroccan destination in the comments and join our community of explorers. Your insights and experiences add value to our journey, creating a shared space for discovering the wonders of Morocco together.